1403 BC, a traveling nomad magician by the name of Montalban Saint Crusoe used to do house calls to emperors, kings, nobles. Today we have the internet and television for that. But every so often, Chet Lightning likes to make a little house call of his own. And that's why I go to random houses. They're not expecting me. They don't even know who I am, and I don't know who they are. But I'm expecting them.
Hey, Chet. Are we shooting something?
Hey, Joel. I didn't know you lived here.
We had Thanksgiving here like a week ago. Are you guys shooting?
Yeah.
What are you guys shooting? Could you use the front door?
We're doing random house.
You're doing random house?
Yeah.
Alright, let's go. I think
Well,
we should house.
we're doing random house here. This is the house.
So, I'm not camera operating?
Mike was gonna do this one.
Hey Joel.
Hey, Mike.
Just to get rotation, different styles, I mean, yours is great.
Yeah, I guess.
I mean, we said we were going to take turns early on.
But you're the sound guy, and I thought we established that you liked it.
Random house. It's time for a magic trick.
I don't know if I want it.
Now let me ask you a question.
Okay.
Do you know me outside of being part of my crew? Do you know me in any other way?
Thought I did.
Please tell the camera.
No.
That's right. Now prepare to have your mind blown.
Okay.
Cards. Nature's oldest form of time passing. Now Joel, I want you to pick a card. Any one at random. Oh, gotcha. Okay. Okay, now look at it. Do you have it memorized? I want you to show the camera. Okay, you have it memorized? Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Did everyone see it? Did you get a good shot of that, Mike?
Yeah.
That's because you're a damn good cameraman.
Thanks.
Alright, now, show me the card.
What?
Show me the card. 8 of hearts. I know that now.
Cool. Now
But in a few seconds, I am going to wipe my entire memory of the last 5 minutes completely free. And I will make myself forget that it's the 8 of hearts. But I'll somehow read your mind. And I'll know what it is anyway. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Where am I? What? Didn't I have Thanksgiving here a couple weeks ago?
Yeah, or a week ago, yeah.
Oh, it's all sort of familiar. I don't know how I got here. Oh, look at that, cards. Oh, I see what this is now. Do not cut camera.
I remember when you used to say that to me.
Dude, you didn't care when I did Shadow Freeze.
I was there.
Please,
I still got
please,
It's
I'm
been a baby, Chad.
Come on, please.
Let's just finish this trick already. Come on. What card is it?
What is it? It is... Eight of hearts.
Yep.
Chad, you alright? Chad.
He'll be fine in a couple seconds.
I did it. Oh, I don't know if I'm gonna live through this one, Mike. I'm Chet Lightning! I did it! Yeah! Yeah! Chet Lightning.
Alright, see you, Joel. Sorry.
Shut up! I'm trying to sleep!
Sorry, Joel.
It's okay.
See you tomorrow for $1 million.
Okay. Whatever.
You can camera operate $1 million. Alright,
I don't know if I want to. I got other gigs. I'm good. I'm straight.
well, I'll call you later.
Alright.
Sorry, man.
Think he's pissed, Chet?
Probably. I don't feel bad about that, but what are you gonna do? I wish I knew this was his house. It kind of sucks.
Freaking random house, man. Let's go. Let's get out of here.